JDCap 26 here, just do tips and repairs. And how you guys doing out there? Well, you got these little Hobby Zone magnets we're putting in. And what you want to do is you want to make sure they're orientated in the correct way. Okay, so that one is, and that one is. Okay. Okay, so they both contact each other. How you do that is you take one of these and find the hole, and you sorry about that, and you put them the right orientation. Okay, so I'll just show you that, and you can use this little tool here. You put that on top there like that, and then you just tap them in. Like that, get them flush. Okay, so I want to show you that so you guys don't get goofed up with the magnets when you're putting it together. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell to the right. And have a great day.